going to unbox this one. I bought this in eBay, and we'll open it now. We'll see. Ta-da! So this is from eBay, and this is not a sponsored video. I bought this for £9. So there is like that. Looks a big box, but I'm not sure. And then we'll open it like this. Okay, so it's just like that much. I was thinking it's a big box because it's like, looks like a big product, but this is this much. But it says 7 inches. Yeah, that's what we expect. So now we open it. I hope this is not broken. And this is it. Okay, that's good. My favorite. So this is my lucky cat. Gold lucky cat. It's cute. I like it. And it's good for decoration. What do you think? So this lucky cat is used for, they said in Feng Shui, for a good luck in business. And I don't have business, but I just like to have this one. And so far it's not that bad. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's worth it. And this is what is in there. It's not closed, it's like an open thing. You put your battery here. What do you think? For me it's fine. Just open like that. Open battery case. That's the only negative thing that that is not really good in this product, but all over I'm satisfied with it. So let's see if I will be lucky with this. And if you want to have like this, just order it in online and anywhere. You can find it anywhere. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. Till next video. Bye.